Hey Joe, how's your first day going?
This customer had 4 brand new tires put on less than 6 months ago. He already blew out 2, so now I have to replace all 4. I feel bad. It's going to be expensive for him, and what a waste.
You absolutely do not need to replace all 4 with brand new tires again. This is exactly why we rely on Champtires.
Champtires?
Yes, they sell premium used tires in every size, brand, and tread depth. So you'll be able to find exact matches to the 2 remaining good tires. It saves us and the customer a lot of money.
Kind of sounds too good to be true.
Well, we've been using Champtires for years. They have a multi-point inspection process so we can be sure we are installing quality tires on our customers' vehicles. Plus, they make it super simple. Just measure the tread depth on the remaining tires and then head to their website to place an order. Free shipping is included, and since we're part of their exclusive business program, we save even more off their low prices.
Champtires has more than 40,000 tires in stock? This is incredible. 2 used Pirellis cost about 1/3 of what 4 new tires would have. I wonder if they will have some hand cooks for my Jeep. My inspection's starting to come up soon.
Of course, they sell direct to consumers too, so you can order them online whenever you want.
Wow, I'll have to look into that after I finish this job.
Hey, welcome back. Your car is all set for you, and we were able to save you nearly 80% by installing high-quality used tires.
Wow, that's a lot less than I was expecting. Tell me about these used tires. I don't want to run into problems down the road.
Don't let the used parts scare you. If you've ever bought a used car, you've also bought used tires. We use Champtires, one of the largest sellers of premium used tires. They visually inspect and air test every tire that enters their warehouse, and again, before they ship out.
Now, I have 2 of my previous tires with 2 Champtires on my car. Will that be okay?
Yes, the tread depths match, and they're the exact brand and model. You won't even be able to tell a difference. Your car will handle as perfectly as it did before.
Sounds great. You guys have just earned a customer for life. And Champtires has too.